Welcome. My name is Nathan Krampe for Lions Wealth Management. On Wednesday, we had Jay Powell, the chairman for the Federal Reserve Board, speak, and he talked about his views of the future and where we're headed for the economy and some of the policies that he can put in place to help stimulate everything. Now, the biggest takeaway that I saw from that was the fact that he talked about interest rates. Now, interest rates are a way that we can help spur lending in this country. And by having lower interest rates, that means banks are a little bit more free to lend money because the cost of borrowing is a lot less. Now, what that also means, though, is that we keep low interest rates when we need to keep stimulating the country. Right now, we are at 0%, so we do not really have an interest rate to speak of. But why this is also important is Jay Powell talked about the fact that he's going to keep interest rates right here at this point in time, this low, until probably at least 2022 or later. So what that tells me is that it may actually be that the economy is going to take a long time to come back from this, and he knows that. So what does that mean for the stock market then is kind of anyone's guess, because of the fact that over the last month we've had this massive rally on this hype and hysteria of we're reopening, the economy is going to get better. And that may be. Also though, if we're going to be very, very prolonged and we have a little bit more hardships with especially some white collar jobs, there may be some very big kind of movements in the stock market that are going to cause everyone to be a little seasick, so to speak, from that. So just be aware that we are definitely not out of the woods, and especially what Jay Powell talked about with respect to the interest rates, and also yesterday, which would have been June 11th, we had this massive sell-off because of that. So just know that there's a lot to be considering, and we can't be fully on going with risk and trying to get all into the stock market yet, just because of the fact that there may be some very big movements on days to come. With that, take care.